This is 1 and 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1. 5 times, here we go. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Dallas Mavericks. Bottom is the San Antonio Spurs. That is 5 times. Get rid of it. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. That's a big break. Somebody's winning an M-break spot. Here we go. The M-break spot will go to whoever's on top after one more spin. I'll say 6 times down the bottom. Here we go. We'll say 6 times right there. 1 time the winner is the Rockets. 6 times Rockets on top. We'll find out who's got the Rockets. The Rockets in this one winning their spot in the big boy break is spot 27. Michael Park, congratulations. All right, save. Here we go. This is big. Final box of the case. I'm just going to do that, so even I don't know. All right, and here comes the other hit. Counting on this. For the Boston Celtics, it's nice. 99, Robert Parrish. Spot 22, Michael Park picking up the Robert Parrish. He's on a bit of a bender. I saw what doesn't look to be a base card. I don't know what color it was. I don't know what we're looking at here, but here we go. All right, it's green. That doesn't mean much. It's kind of psychedelic. Oh, you've got to be joking me. It is downtown Jason Tatum for the Boston Celtics. Spot 22, Michael Park. He has taken the piss. Now listen. I appreciate a piss take as much as I can, as much as anyone. But I'm going to look after you all. I'm going to throw this in. I'm going to chuck in a little bonus. Little bonus Spectra. Little bonus Spectra pack. For the Mavericks, Spencer Dinwiddie. For the Rockets, Jalen Green. To 49, it is Charles Bassey, and there's a gold Desmond Byrne for the Grizzlies. Let's have a look at that. Not sure. I do not have a lot left. So that's a beautiful Charles Bassey there for the Sixers. We'll sort this as I go because it's so much easier. A gold for the Grizzlies. Jalen Green, rookie. So, Rockets, I know, are spot 27. That's also Mr. Park. The Mavericks are in spot 1 to Sean Price. 1-on-1 every day of the week. Bassey for the 76ers goes to spot 13. That is Cody Johnson. And the gold, Desmond Byrne for the Grizzlies is in spot 9 to Michael Park. And we'll clean that up as well. There we go. And that is that for 1-on-1, 1-1-3, 1-1.